Welcome back to None of Your Beeswax Apiary. It's July 31st here in East Tennessee, and we're getting ready to start our fall mite treatment with Apiary. So what we've got here is most of our hives that we pulled honey off of this year. We've got a super still on the hive, and that's not to collect honey because we've been in a dearth here in East Tennessee for about the last 2 weeks now. But these are wet supers that I put back on and I'd already extracted. And the reason I did that was because we had such high temperatures here. It gave them a little bit more room, so I wasn't cramming all those bees that were in 2 and 3 supers above here down to just 2 deep brood boxes with all that heat. So I put a wet super on all the big colonies here, let them clean those frames up for us, and it also gave them room to expand through there so that they could dissipate that heat. And we didn't have a lot of bearding on the front of the colonies during those hot spells and stuff, so that helps and that works. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go in and pull these supers off, get the bees out of the supers, pull the queen excluder off, and then we'll go ahead and add the Apiary treatment. So let's get started. So we're going to use a 2-part process to get the bees out of this super. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a rag soaked with honey bandit on here. That'll drive a lot of the bees down out of the super into the deep boxes, and then we'll blow any of the remaining bees off with a little portable blower. So first thing we're going to do is pop this top off here. Not too many bees up there to begin with, so this won't take terribly long. We've got our rag here that I've sprayed down with honey bandit. We're just going to lay this right over top of the super. We're going to put our inner cover back on, kind of hold those fumes down in there, and that'll dry the bees down through there. What we've got that we're using is, like I said, it's honey bandit. Comes in this little spray bottle right here, and what it is it's just a scent that the bees don't like, that they run away from. It doesn't hurt the bees, doesn't hurt your honey, doesn't put any weird smells or anything like that in your honey. It's just a fume that the bees don't like, so it drives them out of the super down into the deep brood boxes. Makes cleaning out the super a whole lot easier from the bees and things like that. Another thing I could do is I could pull each individual frame out of here, shake the bees off, brush them with a bee brush, but when you've got 20 hives that you got supers on, it takes a long time to go through each individual frame, so this is a lot faster and works a lot better. We'll let this sit here for about 5 minutes or so. In the meantime, we're going to go over to another hive over here and put some Apiary in, and I'll show you how to do that. So this is our product here. This is our Apiary. This is the version that we use. It's a, I think it's a 3 kilogram ton, or yeah, 3 kilogram ton, 3 kilogram tub of Apiary gel. And what it is, it's just the gel inside the tub right there. It comes with this little syringe right here and these cardboard pieces that you can, cardboard cards that you can put the product on. The other way it comes packaged is it comes in pre-packaged 1-dose sealed containers. If you've got just a couple hives, those ones are perfectly fine. We use those ones for the first few years. You just peel back the label, the foil, and place it in the hive. With these ones, if you've got a lot of hives, it makes it easier to go through. You don't have a lot of that foil waste and waste of the packaging and things like that. So always be sure to stir it before you use it. It'll get a little crusty on the top and dry out a little bit, so you want to stir everything up, make sure everything's good. You don't have a bunch of liquid sitting down in the bottom or anything like that. Just use an old wood stick. You take your syringe here, and I went ahead and pre-marked some things. For a normal dose, it's 50 grams. For a half a dose, it's 25 grams. Now, because it's warmer out right now, we're going to use a half dose in each of the hives, so we're going to do 25 grams. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the syringe, stick it in there, draw it up, make sure we get to our 25 gram mark, and then we'll just go ahead and squeeze it out on this card evenly. You don't want a big clump of it. You want a nice pattern on the card right there. That way the bees can get on it, carry it throughout the hive, and distribute it through the hive. So now that we've got our card ready to go in the hive, we're going to go prop open the hive and put it in. Okay, so this hive right here, it's one of our new nukes that we kept for ourselves this year. So they didn't produce any honey for us, but they did fill up the top box here with honey for themselves. So we didn't have any supers on, so I didn't put any supers in there. They weren't big enough to worry about needing extra room, so they're just 2 deeps right now. I'm going to pop the lid here, and I'm just going to check them to make sure they're good and heavy. Yep, they've got plenty of food, don't need to worry about feeding them. We're going to smoke the bees down off the top bar here. We're going to get our card with our Apiary on it. We're just going to place that right there in the center of the top frames. And you want to give the bees some space so they can get up and access that product and distribute it through the hive. So on all of them we're putting an empty super box on. So it's just an empty super box, and then we'll put our inner cover back on and leave it in place. And there you go. It's that easy. Now let's go take a look at the hive that we put the honey bandit on and see about getting the bees out of the super. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes that the towel with the honey bandit's been on here. Let's take that off and see how we've done. Looks pretty good. Don't see hardly any bees up in here. Go ahead and lift this up, take another better look. You can see down in there, there's no bees in that super there, so we've successfully driven them out of the super, and we can go ahead and pull that super off. Okay, now what we can do is we can go ahead and prep this hive and go ahead and put the Apiary on here, and we'll go ahead and do that now, and I'll talk about it here in a little minute. Okay, so we went ahead and we put the Apiary in this hive just like we did the previous one. Like I said, I'm only doing a half dose. If you read the package label, it says you can do a full dose of 50 grams and leave it in there for 2 weeks. But it also says if temperatures are warmer and above 77 degrees, it mentions that you can also do a half a dose and leave it in there for a week at a time and just change it out for a total of 4 doses. So the proper dosage for full treatment is 100 grams. If your temperatures are cooler, you can do 50 grams, leave it in for 2 weeks, put another 50 grams in, leave it in for 2 to 4 more weeks until that product is all gone. If you're in the warmer temperatures like we are, we're in the mid 80s this week and projected mid to upper 80s next week. So I'm doing the half dose. We'll do that, leave it in for a week, remove any product that's left, put another dose in, and we'll do that 4 times so we get that total 100 grams, and that'll take care of the mites. Temperature range for this product is day highs above 60 degrees and